The air filter assembly consists of the air filter base, filter element, cover, and the wing nut that secures its components together. The air filter assembly is typically replaced due to an accident that results in damage to one or more of its components. Replacing the air filter assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the old air filter assembly. First, I'll remove the wing nut, and then the air filter cover. I'll use a pair of adjustable pliers to remove the air filter base. Now I can begin installing the new air filter assembly. Again, I'll remove the wing nut and the cover. I'll thread the base into the cylinder head, and I'll secure it with the adjustable pliers. Now I can reinstall the cover and secure it with the wing nut. And that's how easy it is to install a new air filter assembly on your compressor.